Namah Shivaya children, welcome to English class. Children, we have already completed the lesson, The Magic Broom. And also I have given keywords, meanings, question answers and other mains that is textual exercises in the last video. I hope all of you have completed your CW. Have you completed children? If you have not completed, complete it and send it to me. Okay. Today in this session, we are going to complete the worksheets of the same lesson given in your textbooks, page number 54. Children, whenever you are attending the English classes, have textbook with you for better understanding. Okay. Now open your textbooks, page number 54. The Magic Broom. Worksheet is there, grammar worksheet in that page. It's on collective nouns and countable and uncountable nouns. I have already sent the video on collective nouns and countable and uncountable nouns. I hope you have understood the concept. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can watch the video once again, or you can call I have given my number. You can call and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, children. So, shall we start today's session? I think everybody have opened your textbooks, page number 54. First main, A. Unscramble the words in the box to make collective nouns. Then fill in the blanks with the suitable noun. First main, they have given some words in the box, but the words are unscrambled. You have to unscramble the words. It is jumbled. You have to unscramble the words and you have to make a word that is collective noun and fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, have you seen my dash of keys? Which is the right option, children? Yes, you are right. Bunch. They have given CHUNB that you have to unscramble. When you unscramble, how the word spelled? Can you spell the word? Yes, BUNCH, bunch of keys. Okay. Next one, a dash of ships appeared over the horizon. That is EETLF. When you unscramble, you will get the collective noun fleet. That is FLEET, fleet. Then, third one, open that dash of drawers. That is STCEH, that is chest, CHEST. What you have to do, children? You have to unscramble the words and you have to fill in the blanks. Fourth one, the dash of soldiers was weary after the long march. Troop, TROOP, troop. Then, fifth one, the dash put forward its demands. It's mob, MOB, mob. Sixth one, your papers might be under the dash of books on the table. The answer is pile, P-I-L-E, pile. Then seventh one, a dash of dancers from Sri Lanka is here to take part in the cultural festival. That is troop, T-R-O-U-P-E, troop. Okay, then eighth one, the woman was carrying a dash of sticks on her head. That is bundle, B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. We have completed the A main. Let's move on to the B main. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns from the box. You will not need all the words. Here they have given some collective nouns in the box. You have to choose the suitable collective noun. They have given more, but it's not needed to use all the collective nouns. Okay, children? Shall we move on to the B main? Okay, first one. Ravinder has a dash of 5 pups in his house. The answer is litter. 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 Then second one, the crowd cheered when Sachin scored a century. Crowd. 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 Okay. Then in page number 55. Third one, the pack of cards is in the drawer. Pack. 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 Then fourth one, Anand gave his wife a bouquet of flowers on their anniversary. Bouquet. 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 Okay. Then fifth one, it is truly a wonderful experience to see a dash of lions in the wild. Pride. 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 Then sixth one, the police have arrested the dash of thieves. Gang. 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 Okay. Then seventh one, on clear nights you can see a whole dash of stars. That is constellation. 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 Then eighth one, the team of football players decided to warm up before their final match. Team. 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 Then ninth one, there was a dash of geese near the pond. GAGGLE. Gaggle. Okay. Then 10th one, my father keeps a dash of tools in the boot of his car. Set. 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 Then 11th one, Mona bought a coloring book and a dash of crayons from the stationery shop. Box. 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 12th one, there was a dash of grapes in the bowl. Bunch. 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 We have completed the B main, children. Let's move on to the C main. C main, fill in the blanks with the suitable nouns. Choose from the box. Again, they have given some words in the nouns in the box. You have to choose the right one. First one, a tuft of grass. 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 Then second one, a clump of trees. 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 Third one, a school of fish. 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 Then fourth one, a choir of singers. 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 Then fifth one, a pack of wolves. WOLVES. Then sixth one, an atlas of maps. 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 Okay. Then seventh one, a chain of islands. 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 Then eighth one, a range of hills. 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 Then ninth one, a board of directors. 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 10th one, a clutch of eggs. 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 Then 11th one, a pod of whales. 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 Then 12th one, a constellation of stars. 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 Then 13th one, a choir of arrows. 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 Then 14th one, a colony of ants. 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 Children, I think you all know these answers because in the video I have sent many examples for collective nouns. I think you were knowing the answer. Is it not, children? Okay. We have completed A, B and C main. Let's move on to the D main. D main is about countable and uncountable nouns. D main. Fill in the blanks with suitable countable nouns. Choose from the box. Again, they have given some nouns in the box. You have to choose the correct nouns. First one, 3 dash of water. Bottles. B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Bottles. Then second one, a dash of advice. Word. W-O-R-D. Word. Then third one, a sack of rice. S-A-C-K. Sack. Then fourth one, a cup of tea. C-U-P. Cup. Then fifth one, a drop of rain. D-R-O-P. Drop. Then sixth one, a piece of music. P-I-E-C-E. Piece. Then eighth one, a plate of food. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Then eighth one, a coat of paint. C-O-A-T. Coat of paint. Then let's move on to the E main, the last main. Write C for countable or U for uncountable for the nouns in bold. Here you have to identify whether it is countable noun or uncountable noun. The word which is in the bold. Okay children, I have already sent the video on this. You know what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun. Okay. Shall we start? First one, I don't like tea. I prefer coffee. Coffee is countable or uncountable, children? Is uncountable. Write U in the blank. Second one, this cake has a lot of butter in it. Butter. Which noun? Yes, uncountable. Write U. Then, have you visited any countries in Europe? Countries. Can you count the countries? Yes, of course. A, right? C. Then, turn the page. Now, fourth one. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty. Is honesty countable or uncountable? Yes, uncountable. Right, you. Then, fifth one. The beauty of this hill station is worth admiring. The beauty. Beauty is countable or uncountable, children? Yes, uncountable, right? You. Then scientists say that pollution is harming our environment. Scientists. Can you count the scientists? Yes, right? C. Then seventh one. Do you enjoy studying science? Science. Can you count? No. You, right? It is uncountable. Write you in the blank. Then eighth one, Aparna likes watching old films. Films, can you count? Yes. Right? C in the blank. So we have already completed the worksheet also, children. You have, when you are writing in the worksheet, use pencil to write. Okay, children? Because you are doing it in the textbook itself, you are not copying this in your homework or in your CW. You are going to complete this in the textbook itself. No need to write in home assignment or in CW. So, whenever you are writing the textual worksheet, use pencil. Okay, children? Understood? Yes, I hope you have understood and complete the worksheet and send it to me. Okay, I'll meet you in the next class with a different chapter of grammar. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.